Hi, what on earth are you doing? Putting wax on and removing it like we did ages ago. I'll show you how you can get the same result you get now after 2 hours in 5 minutes. Leave this old thing here and follow me. Let's take a car which has just been washed and measure its shine with a gloss meter, first on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side. Now let's cover half the bonnet and treat the uncovered half with Mafrolux. Do you see how the brush which comes with the product acts on the bodywork? Now let's rinse and see how the water slips away. We've removed the protection, and now we measure again using the gloss meter. Do you see the difference in values? Incredible, and in such a short time. The coin test is essential in understanding the difference. Now, treat your part of the bonnet with the classic method and let's compare results. It's about time you finished. But now let's measure the surface gloss on your part and on mine. Let's measure the surface gloss again for the last time. First on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side. And here's the result. See? Now are you convinced? All this is possible thanks to exclusive and patented Mafra technology. Polish Express is a machine which was conceived and produced to distribute Mafrolux with Polar Light, the new Mafra product, which by making the most of Nano Technology, polishes, covers and protects your car, giving it an extraordinary and unique silky effect. Mafrolux protects the body of your car from the assault of salt and atmospheric agents, giving it an extraordinary and unique long-lasting effect that brings out its original brightness. Thanks to the wiper liquid function, rainwater will slip off in a few minutes without the use of windscreen wipers, ensuring safety and visibility. Mafrolux treatment gives bodywork an extraordinary gloss that you can even see your reflection in. Finally, the extraordinary silky effect will allow you to get a perfect, smooth and velvety car. Mafra has always been actively committed to the quality front without compromise and to the safeguarding of the environment. It is the only Italian company in its sector to have received the ISO 14001 certificate, so that everybody can live in greater serenity by polluting even less. And what are you waiting for? Introduce this incredible new product to your self-service. Make your customers' car washing experience unique and unforgettable, increasing your turnover instantly and gaining new enthusiastic customers. Don't waste another moment. Order Polish Express for your business. For some time, I'd been looking for something which could help me keep my customers loyal, some new service which stood out, and which would also help me distinguish my car wash from all the competition around me. I have to thank Mafra, who have made all this possible, and now my customers are also enthusiastic about it all. Besides, knowing that Mafra is the market leader assures me and also earns my customers' trust. Word has already spread, and I know that new customers are coming from kilometers away to wash their cars at my car wash. I'm really flying high about it, and I'd certainly recommend it without hesitation. In addition, Mafra lets you link your unique services with Polish Express, rendering your company attractive to car wash clientele by providing marketing support and business contacts. What are you waiting for? Call Mafra or call your area agent and ask for Polish Express.